shenanigans. Yeah, it's pretty steep. Giggle pin life.
Just reckons you've done it.
I haven't, right?
Yeah, because Pedro's done it. He's very good.
Oh, righto. It's a shock.
You right, Jess?
What is going on up there?
I was trying to get the tyres to grab, but it's not real jiggy friendly. Hey, like, I wouldn't give you shit if you turned around. Hey, that's pretty fucked. There used to be that washed out there.
Yeah, guys, he was that trick. You just know you can't pull that side.
And that big fucking rock just missed the back of my.
No, his breather's blocked.
Look at that. Wow. That's a better line though.
Yeah.
You do it from there.
Oh, you've got to wait for that anchor now. You just move that big
There's a
ass
wheel
rock.
chock there for you now.
Shit, running out of blood. They're driving this again.
Yeah.
Oh, your back left is like on a.
You got 15 gears to choose from. You have to work out which one you want.
I don't really want to back go up on that.
Nah.
Not the back your back left. I don't think it.
I might have to rough chuck a hook on, eh?
Down there.
Who's got a headlights? I'm gonna headlight.
Milton, yeah, Milton, quick. Jesus. Milton. How spirited. What he's saying to the new missus now is, trust me, I'm a professional.
Is your side front wheel still spinning?
Turning? Yeah, looks like it is, yeah. Sounds shit, but it's driving.
I think you might need to just like try and go wide and drive up, try and drive into the bank and back like
Your back wheel is jammed between two rocks, so just go backwards a bit. We'll have a look. It's just jammed between. There's a rock rolled up under his, under the rear there.
Yeah. Covered me in mud.
Payback.
Now hard left and forward. You alright, keep going forward. Hard left. Keep going.
That's it. Now right hand down and back now.
As hard as you can.
I think crawler gears go.
When are they going in?
Oh, probably next.
It's plus,
Right, that's better.
Driving it might just like skid that wall because your bar's not touching it. Hard right and back. That wheel just stopped driving then. Oh, you got your front out? Oh, okay. Before it was driving, now it's not again. Yeah, what? Hard left.
Fuck those bars have saved you. No, you should be able to.
Nose up a bit first. He's got no front drive.
Yeah, but it's even pressure on that, probably both drive anyway. He's on niddos, mate.
Stop.
Not driving?
Oh, it stopped and then it started again.
One more go from there, may as well. Straight towards Jesse's lights.
What a fucking drive!
Pretty cool camping area. This is the caravan spot. What are you doing, Bowie? What are you doing, mate? What are you doing, mate? You counting the rocks? Might be there for a while. What do you got?
Well, I got stuck fucking further down without the rear one on. Just was flexing.
See, in yours, I would have punched both lockers on. If you got both lockers, I would have hit him back for that anyway. In any other car, yeah. No point being a hero. If you got lockers. No, you got the line right, mate. Yeah. Bad line choice.
You got pointed early on.
Yeah.
I just saw that big lip and I'm like, I'm going for that.
Very good. Alright, stay that way. Yep. Yep, this way, this way. Yep. Right. Go left hand down. Let it roll back a little bit.
Hold behind that back wheel.
Not going to roll back. Chuck it in reverse and go back a little bit, just real slow. It's going to work. Going winch?
Don't think about it too long. Yeah, it's just got a hole in a bugger of a spot.
And when if you go back anymore, this wheel gets higher and that wheel gets lower, it'll just stand up more. Nah.
He knew what was coming.
It might be just isolated, but it's not like fucking
Mr. Gigglepin.
You good now, so turn this way a little bit as you drive forward and get through the twin up.
Yeah.
Ready?
Cool.
Good looking rig, isn't it?
Yeah. Cool. I like it.
Pedro, Mr. Smooth.
You got to back up to a driver? I don't think you have to burn. I just wanted to you understand wheel right? Yeah. If I understand wheel right or whatever, I made it like it.
That's alright.
AB's got a big one.
You're a weapon, Dan. Yeah, that's weird. I just put it up there to watch. It's amazing that there's a couple of rocks, mate.
Oh, and like it's all the back on that.
Yeah.
Like if the back wouldn't even climb that rock step,
Yeah.
any other car would be. All the weight on the back just
Yeah.
can do it. Bonus is if you don't get the tree.
I'll give you a high five.
Yeah.
Fuck, that would have been an average day. Push.
What are you doing, mate?
Turn this way.
go this way. That's a good creek run, isn't it?
Yeah, it's alright.
I should have the camera on for that. Going through there. Flex those big boy V8 muscles. Good creek runs. There's always one noisy bloke on trips. Drop it in now.
Is there more pull out?
I wouldn't be a weekend away in the 62 without another alignment issue. Yeah, you can see that. That's it. So we've just worked out the wheel alignment issues in my car. Oh, let's have a look. Rightio. So you see where we are? It's obviously the wheel, front rear control arm, the rear lower control arm with the billet ones. So the forward arm has broken this weld all up along here. So I've been having all these wheel alignment issues with this thing. That's probably been broken for a long time. Tow truck again. This thing's been on a tow truck more often in 3 years than my GQ has in 25 years. Just saying. We got baby. Fuck, doesn't look bad, does it? Tomato, beef Milano. Nice. Yeah, can't do that with one. Go away. Fuck yeah.
Got to try and make it work for the camera.
Are you the Flint
I'm the Flint king.
Bert? Flint's Bert expert?
Can I just...
First go.
Right, here we go. First time Pedro, come on. Patriot Pedro. Oh, sorry dog.
There we go.
Look at that, that's used toilet paper, isn't it? Is that how you get it going? Used toilet paper, a couple of firelighters.
It was a bit damp.
Oh, mint.
Oh, Chriso, you done good.
In cooking, because we literally had like a truckloads of trailer of wood.
All happening.
Got a phone reception here if you need it. And a few helpers. Hey buddy, how you going mate? just sorted out RACQ to pick up the big girl. Righto, bit of a closer look at what's happened to the big girl. Rightio. There's the rear lower control arm, the front bit, where it joins onto the K-frame. That's actually squashed there. It's actually got quite a big bulge in there. And this side is actually quite flat. So this is all from that impact a couple of years ago, I reckon. And if you have a look there, makes it pretty easy to see all the broken weld. And the weld looks like shit. It's broken straight through the middle of the weld. So, well, just there. Actually, just at this end, it's actually, it looks like it's started to tear. The weld looks like it's torn the metal, but by pulling that back up, this will pull back back towards the middle of the car, and that will give me the alignment I need back. So I might just knock that bolt out, pull it all back up and weld it. I might just suss out how much a whole new K-frame is, in case it's worth going insurance, because obviously the impact's caused that to bend that. Wow. Goes right back to, you know, it looks fine. Right back to when I launched the back of the car off the road up, broken, hitting a big washout. There you go. Anyway, we'll see how we go, eh?
Like and sub.